and welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Nice to see you back for lesson 5. I was going to show you how to harmonize the minor scale. However, we already learned that in lesson 4, and it's done exactly the same way as harmonizing the major scale. So in this lesson, we're going to learn about the relative minor of each major scale. Then we get right into minor chord progressions. If you enjoy my channel, then please subscribe, hit the bell so you get notification when new lessons go up. Thank you. This is a very interesting subject as each major scale has a relative minor, which share the same notes and chords. Because of that, we can pretty much go right into minor chord progressions. Check out the free worksheet, which you can download in my description right down here. It might be to your benefit to take all the previous lessons to fully benefit from the information I'm going to share with you. The link to the lesson is right up here. All right, let's go check out what we're going to learn. In lesson 4, we learned how to harmonize the C major scale. We learned how to apply the concept to all 12 keys. The minor scale is harmonized exactly the same as the major scale, stacking thirds. I hope you remember. Let's take the A scale as an example. Did you notice? The C major scale and the A major scale share exactly the same notes, but start at different root notes. C starts at C and A starts at A. I hate to disappoint, but we don't have to harmonize the minor scale, as we have already done that in lesson 4. How so, you ask? Each major scale has a relative minor scale. They share the same notes, but start at different root notes. They will also share the same chords. Aha, that was easy. The C major scale's relative minor is A minor. Each of the 12 major scale has a relative minor or vice versa. They will share the same notes and subsequent chords. There are added benefits understanding this that will most likely be discussed in a future lesson about creating solo melodies. The chords of the A minor scale are A minor, B diminished, C, D minor, E minor, F, and G. Let me play the minor scale with A minor and A major triad, except that B diminished here is a D shape. The minor chord sequence is minor, diminished, major, minor, minor, major, major. Before we start with minor chord progression, I just need to clear something up. There are actually 3 minor scales that are very similar but have slight differences. There is the natural minor scale, the melodic minor scale, and the harmonic minor scale. When we talk about the minor scale, we talk about the default natural minor scale, which we learned in this series of lessons. Because of that, the second diminished can also be minor, and the fourth and the fifth can be major. These alternatives occur because we can build chords with other minor scales, namely the harmonic and the melodic minor, which have slightly different notes and create slightly different chords. The bottom line is, you can pick which scales and chords to use, and the 3 alternatives shown are common choices for songwriting. Let's look at minor chord progressions. We're going to start with the natural minor scale chords. Let's look at the minor 1, minor 4, and minor 5 chord progression. So A minor, D minor, and E minor. The example is Black Magic Woman from Santana. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Next is the minor 1, 3, and 7 progression. A minor, C, and G. And a tune that I chose here is Jolene by Dolly Parton. Jolene, Jolene, Jolene. one is the minor 1, 7, and 6. In the Air Tonight by Phil Collins would be an example. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. Okay, the next one is a minor 1, a 6, a 3, and a 7. A minor, F, C, and G. Safe Tonight by Eagle Eye Cherry. Safe tonight, fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow, tomorrow I'll be gone, safe tonight. Minor 1, minor 5, a minor 4, and a 7. Ain't No Sunshine by Bill Withers. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Na, 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 na. Here are chord progressions including the harmonic and the natural minor chords. In this one, we're actually playing a D major instead of minor. That's because of the note is slightly different in a harmonic or natural minor. We're playing a 1, minor 1, and then major 7, major 6, a major 3rd, and a major 4th. And the chords are A minor, G, F, C, D. And the song I'm going to demo is Under My Thumb by the Rolling Stones. Under my thumb, the girl. Under my thumb. C, F, D. Okay, the next one is a minor 1, a minor 4, a 6, and a 5. And again, the 5 should be a minor 5, but in this case, it's a major 5. Chords are A minor, D minor, F, and E. And it's Unchain My Heart, Ray Charles. Unchain my heart. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Next, we're going to do minor 1, a 4, a 3, and a 7. A minor, D, C, and G. It's Another Brick in the Wall by Pink Floyd. So the next one is actually quite a long one. When I learned the natural minor scale chords and then compared them to House of the Rising Sun, which was one of the very first songs I learned, so I was wondering why there was a D in there instead of D minor and an E in there instead of an E minor. And then, of course, I did a little bit of research, and it's because the scale used in that song is the harmonic and the melodic minor. This one uses the 1 minor, the 3, the 4, the 6, and the 5, okay? So quite a few, there's 5 chords here. In lesson 6, we're going to have a look at the circle of fifths. I'm going to show you how you can use it to very quickly figure out which chords are present in a particular key. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.